Hi, welcome to the OmniFY Invoice Standard demo. The Invoice connector was built along with the Concur team as we are certified Concur partners. The connector is not a middleware and uses Concur APIs to establish connection and transfer information between Concur and Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. With our connector, you do not need to subscribe or pay for Concur API as they are included with our product. Now, let's proceed to the demo. I will give you a quick overview of the module first and then we will see how the process works. As you can see, there are three menu items. OmniFY Invoice Setup. This is where we configure and set up the connector based on client requirements. OmniFY Concur Invoice will get invoices from Concur into Business Central, and we also bring in invoices images from Concur. OmniFY Invoice Vendors is bidirectional. It is a staging area where we maintain the synchronization between Business Central and Concur vendors. The very first thing the connector synchronizes between the two systems is the vendors. And what we see here is the entry direction. Inbound means the vendor came in from Concur. And when the entry direction is outbound, the vendor is sent from Business Central to Concur. For demonstration purposes, I am going to create a vendor in Business Central and send it to Concur. After I click Send to Concur, this vendor will be sent to Concur. Now, let's search for the vendor we just created in Concur. And here it is. The connector also tracks any changes made to the vendors, so if we change the name or an address, these can also be synchronized. We can do this on demand push, which is what we just saw. By clicking on the Send to Concur, we also have the scheduler, which works in the background. Job queue entries is a built-in scheduler for Business Central, and we utilize this to schedule our connector's integration with Concur. This will automatically send vendors to Concur. Next, we will go to the invoices and see how they work. In summary, you would essentially create a new invoice in Concur and send it over to Business Central. Generally, invoices are sent as PDF to Concur, and Concur performs three-way or OCR matching. And when that is completed, it will route invoices for approvals if there are any. Once invoices are approved, we can bring them over to Business Central. We have two options here too. We can bring invoices manually if we want to do an on-demand download from Concur, or we can wait for the background job scheduler to run. There are three options to convert these Concur invoices. The first option is to create a purchase document, which will create a purchase invoice in Business Central. The second one is to post to purchase order, which will update the quantity to invoice in the relevant PO in Business Central. The last one is to post to purchase order and invoice. It will update relevant purchase order with quantity to invoice and create a purchase invoice. If you want to find the Concur invoices that were posted, search for OmniFY posted Concur invoices. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the demo. If you have any questions, please feel free to mail us at sales@omnilogicsolutions.com and we will be happy to set up a personalized demo for you.